Well, it's just an update on her. Got it all pieced back together. Made some of them little things. Them little sunbucks right there kind of aggravating to make. But I got me some made. I could do a little more grinding. But you know, this thing's going to get a good thing of undercoating in here and all kinds of stuff. I got to put my seam sealer back. So, yeah, there she is. She's all closed back up. Now I got a few little old bitty spots in the floor. A little spot right there. And right there. A couple little spots. I didn't even know they was there until I got in here beating around. But I guess the next thing will be this lip right here. I'll work on that. Try to knock that out. It won't be long, I'll be starting to tear the inside out of this thing. Knock the windows out and paint the inside, and we'll start putting some interior back in this car. So, well, I'll shut y'all down. Well, I figure I'll go ahead and, I had them rusty pieces, I figured I'd go ahead and cut that crap out of there and go ahead and replace it. There's what come out of it. So, I got another one that's rusty, but it's solid. I done made me a patch to go in there. I clean that up and weld that in, and I'll turn y'all back on. Well, I got them patches filled. They're hose filled. A little bit of grinding on that one a little bit and it'll be done. So now I'm debating whether to tackle this thing now or not. I'll find, we'll just see what I do. Well, just a little update. Got that strip off there. So now just make me a piece to go back over that where I can put my carpet back down. And this thing is getting, still got a little patch or two over there in the floor, not nothing major. And this thing will be ready to start stripping the windows out and the headliner and stuff like that, and might shoot a little paint on the inside of her. Well, okay then. Well, I got that strip back in there. Fasten my carpet down with. It's going to work out just fine because it's going to be more of a an old rat rod of a look car anyway, so it's going to be just fine. That's just about all the rust on the car now. I think there's a couple spots on the other side, and other than that, I think that's it. Then I'll just start sanding and all that good stuff, trying to get the look that I'm looking for. So, thank y'all for watching.